Hello, this is Future of Agriculture podcast episode 2, and we will speak about AI agents in agriculture. So yesterday, ChatGPT got a younger sister called OpenAI agent, and it's a logical step really, because many experts already believe that AI agents are the new internet. In other words, they are invisible infrastructure of the future. So if you ask, do the AI agents have any impact for agriculture either now or in future? The answer will be both yes and no simultaneously. So what about OpenAI agent and its agentic friends for agri-food? Yes, please. But of now, mostly on the operational side of the business. For example, finance, customer support, HR, and other paper-based routines. For example, you can get tireless digital helpers to specific tasks, like a customer support agent that answers only general growers' questions about, for example, leaf diseases or irrigation valves, a training agent that onboards new workers, explains SOPs and quizzes them on safety rules. Or finally, it could be a maintenance agent that reminds you to service the pump before it fails. This is a short list of real possibilities, so you can try to use them today right after listening this podcast. But be aware, please. Due to hot temperature of this topic now, you'll be charged accordingly. So be ready to pay for per minute work. Also, check the rate when the agent is not working and waiting for tasks. It should be much lower. At the same time, we also say no to AI agents in agriculture. And the correct version of this answer is no, no, no. Why? Because autonomous agronomic decisions, it's kind of like a joke. It's a huge responsibility, and the price of an error is enormous. Sometimes it's harvest, sometimes it's life. AI in agriculture is not yet at the level to answer complex agronomic questions. And do you know why? It's very simple. Because, first of all, farming is a living system, not a spreadsheet. AI agents fit best in controlled, predictable environments, and by saying a word controlled, I don't make any excuse for controlled environment agriculture. There are still many uncontrolled factors. In any part of agriculture, too many variables remain outside anyone's control. AI agents will cause losses when they receive unclear or faulty inputs from other agents they rely on. Also, a farm's local context is still deeply human and not agentic. One more thing is about bias. Bias is still with us, so we cannot avoid it at all. And finally, job displacement. It's still here and it will be here, and it's real with AI agents. By the way, regarding the last point, the automated agents are a threat to human labor. They pair perfectly with robots. In the field, considering the level of current robotics adoption, there is no major threat yet. But in production, in sorting, in warehousing, yes, that reality may arrive faster than we expect, but it's a topic for a separate conversation. So what do you think about AI agents in agriculture? Have you tried any in your business or for personal use? And by the way, if you use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Llama, Grok, DeepSeek, Qwen, Ernie, Mistral, Perplexity, and etc., they are not AI agents. They're just engines behind them, not agents. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for listening. Till next Wednesday.